how to change your name on PS4. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your name on your PlayStation 4 console. Make sure you watch this entire video, follow it step by step, because you don't want to miss any important details in this video. So make sure you watch the entire video and you should be good to go. But before I get into the video, let me let y'all know I do giveaways here on my YouTube channel. For those of you who are interested, I give away PlayStation Store gift cards. I give away PlayStation Plus gift cards. I give away Xbox gift cards, Roblox, V-Bucks, you name it. I just did a giveaway the other day on my channel. The next giveaway that I will be doing will be at the end of the month. Well, at the first of next month. Be sure to tune in. You don't have to be a subscriber to join. All you have to do is tune in and watch the video. Now, what I do on my giveaways, I get on here and I go live on YouTube. I turn these cards around. I don't know if y'all can see that code. And I scratch this code off, and whoever enter it into their console first is the person that redeems the code. All right. So if you're interested in being a part of that, you don't have to subscribe. You just got to show up to the video when I go live. But I would highly recommend that you do subscribe so that you can get a notification from YouTube. All right. When I go live. I don't know. Check the links in the description, for more details on that. But let's get into how to change your name on the PlayStation. So you simply going to go up and go to settings here, the settings tab on your PlayStation. Hold on. Before I do that, though, what the heck is that bothering my feet? All right, let's get into it. You went to settings. So once you go into settings, you simply going to go to account management, which is right here. Boom. You're going to go to, once you hit account management, go ahead and click X on account information. Boom. Again, guys, you want to watch this entire video. It may be a little long, but that's because I'm breaking this stuff down detail to detail so that you guys understand everything that you need to do. Make it easy for you. Okay. Now, once you do that, you're now on the page where it says account information. You're going to go to profile. So go down till you see profile, which is right there. Okay. So now once you had clicked on profile, you should see where it says online ID. And also, if you want to change your first and last name, like your real name, then go to that first tab up there, the one that got the white box around it. But we want to change the online. If you want to change the online ID name, then just come here. And also, you can change more stuff. Like if you want to change your profile picture, go here, change your avatar, cover image. You can change all that stuff right here. All right. So I want to change, my gaming name. So online ID. All right. Go to I accept. All right. I would recommend you guys read this, but you're going to ultimately hit I accept, and then you're going to hit continue anyway. So, all right. So I got this email in. I'm going to go ahead and sign this in. And guys, yeah, let me just log in real quick. Give me 5 seconds. Let me see. This is a false account, by the way, guys. This is not my real account, but hold on, let me log in. I'm gonna let you guys know when I'm done. Okay. All right, so I'm done, guys. So as you can see, I had logged in, right? So this is where it said you've been playing as, that's my gaming name, right? So check this out. If this is your first time changing your gaming name, guess what? They're going to let you change it. Your first change is free. I don't know if y'all see that there, but it says your first change is free. Now, if this is like your second time changing it, then you may have to pay $9.99. So, as you can see, guys, I haven't changed mine yet. So, for me, it'll be totally free, but I'm not going to change it. I'm not going to change it at all. I'm just going to leave it as is. But yeah, that's how you change it. So now, let's go back. Because once you change it, you done. I'm not going to change mine, but that's how you change it, guys. You just put in a new gamer tag, and that's it. Now, again, if you're trying to change your regular name, just go to this top bar here, and you can do that. Now that I'm done with that, guys, let me finish telling you guys about the giveaway that I have going on my channel. I didn't want to go too deep into detail because I wanted to show you guys exactly what you came to this video for, which was to learn how to change your name. So now that I'm done with that, let me tell you guys more about the giveaways on my channel, and you can decide if you would like to subscribe or not, okay? So, again, back to these giveaways, guys. The cards that you see here, these are not the only cards that I give away here on my YouTube channel. I'm thinking of running back to Walmart or either GameStop, and I'm going to purchase more cards for you guys. I'm trying to do giveaways every single month. So if you just so happen to tune into the giveaway that's going on at the end of this month, and let's say I flip this card around and I scratch it off, and this code right here, you guys see that code? Let's say that you was watching my live video and you have put this code into your what is this, Xbox? Say you put this code into your Xbox, then you are the person that redeemed the code, so you are the person that got it. Now this code costed me $15, but for you guys being viewers of the live video, you have the chance to get it for absolutely free. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Again, that's the same thing with all of these codes. Now these codes that I have here are currently scratched off, but I will be going back to GameStop and getting some more Xbox Live gift card codes and also some more PlayStation Plus codes. Now, again, these are not the only codes I'm going to be giving away. I will be giving away Roblox, V-Bucks, and some more stuff. So if you're interested in that, the giveaway is going down on the 1st of this month. You can just show up. You don't have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel to show up to the giveaway. Now, let me tell you, the reason I do these giveaways on my channel is because you guys have been showing me nothing but love and support all of this time. And as a way to give back to my fans, my subscribers, I decided to do these giveaways. And so since we've been quarantining lately, like everybody been trapped in the house due to coronavirus, I just thought these would be the perfect thing to give away. It's a lot of people like going to Walmart and stuff, and they can't find, they can, I'm sorry. There's a lot of people who stuck in the house and they want to play the video games and they can't afford to go and purchase PlayStation Plus gift cards. So I decided this is like a way for me to give back to you guys during this quarantine period. And even after the quarantine period, I'm still going to do giveaways. Once my channel reaches like 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to try to do a giveaway once a week, or maybe even more than that. I may just buy a bunch of gift cards and give them all away to you guys. So thought I'd just let you guys know about that. All right. Now, let me show you guys how to change your name on your PlayStation 4 one more time. And then I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go, just in case y'all didn't see what I did the first time. And I just want to make sure that you guys know exactly how to do it. So you go up to settings, which is right there. You click on settings, go to account management, and then go to account information. And then once you do that, it should load up. And then once it's loaded, go to, where is it at? profile, and then online ID, change your online ID right there. That's where you do it at, guys. If you want to change your regular name, your first name and your last name, go to the top one. All right, so hopefully this video was helpful. Could you guys do me a small favor and hit that thumbs up button? We on our way to, 100,000 subscribers, guys. So I know we can do it. You guys have been supporting most of my videos, and that's the reason I decided to go ahead and start doing giveaways, because just to show you guys that I really appreciate it, and just a way to, tell you guys thank you for showing all of the love and all the support on my channel. And yeah, so come get you a giveaway. I'm gonna give this one. I'm sorry, I got back to the giveaways. I got to talk about it because I know it's a lot of you guys who really wants to get these cards, and a lot of you guys don't feel like paying $25. So but yeah, as you can see, this PlayStation card was $25, and it's a 3-month period, as you can see. So you will be getting PlayStation Plus for 3 months. I gave this one away on my Instagram channel. Gave this one away on my YouTube. But you guys can try these cards again just in case. I don't know. So, but yeah. I don't know. I thought I'd mention that. Check the links in the description. If you guys are interested in like being a part of my email list, the link will be in the description for that as well. So that way you guys can stay tuned in and updated on all of the videos and stuff that I will be dropping in the future. So yeah, I will see you guys soon, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video with me. Hopefully it was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up. It will support the channel. All it takes is a tap of the button. I know you're on your cell phone watching this, and even if you're on desktop, all it takes is a simple click, and it would help me a lot, and that would be a way to just support the channel. So again, guys, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Hopefully to see y'all in the next one.